Hi, so this question is OA in 2018 from Google. So technically you want to consider is are this chart array equal or not? And there's a special character using /b. So it's return true or false, and the constraint is using the constraint is time is going to be all of n, space is going to be all of 1. So uh, everything is pretty straightforward beside the constraint. I mean, you can definitely have a stack to store whatever the character you visit, and then you can pop, right? But the problem is how can you optimize the solution? So the solution is going to be you traverse from the end. So you have a pointer I, pointer j, and then you traverse, and then you check if the current chart is /b or not. If they are not /b, you check are they the same. If they are the same, you move the j pointer and y pointer forward. It's gonna be here and here, so they are still the same. So you will keep moving, and you will comes here, right? So now they are different, and also one of the pointer is point at /b, right? So you want to know the previous, sorry, the one next, because we traverse from the end to the beginning, right? The next one, you are going to discard. So what you should do is you want to move to here. You want to skip this index technically, and then you have a valid character here. You want to check are they the same? If they are the same, we return true. All right. So that would be the first solution. I mean, the first example, and the second example is going to be true, right? So C and uh, D and C, they are the same. D and D, they are the same. So I know like there's no other index remaining for this um, array, but you still have to traverse here until 0. Otherwise, like if one of the array reach the end, which at the beginning of the array, and the other one is still not finished, like you are still going to return false. In this one, it's going to be trivial because /b, so you skip this one, /b, /b, represent you want to slash twice, so you skip these two characters, and then they will all in here. So you return true. Why do you return false here? So d n /b, you return false immediately. So you starting from the end and go all the way to the beginning. So the solution is pretty trivial. So this is the test case, and I'm not changing any character, but here's it. So you're calling this main function, and then you're starting from the end. You want to check whether or not either one of them is greater or equal than 0, right? You want to get a next chart character. So S will get the next chart character, T will get the next chart character. You check are they greater or equal than 0? If they are, you compare if they are the same or not. If they are not, you return false immediately. If one of them already reached at the end and the other one does not, you want to return false. S minus minus, T minus minus. And let's talk about how it comes to here. So we want to keep on how many backtrack count we have. So there's a current pointer, current index, right? Represent the index. Pointer represent the index. You want to know, oh, it lists the it lists character, so it would be backslash, right? Hopefully it's a backslash. So you're gonna be /b and this. So /b is the ASCII value. The ASCII value, I believe. But anyway, imagine this is /b. So you want to increment your backspace, and then once you do that, you want to every single iteration you want to move your pointer forward. So it has to be forward, right? So we're starting from the end, so forward, and then if you still have the count for backspace count, you want to either increment or delete. So if the current character is not you know /b, right? You want to decrement right away. And then when you decrement, you also check the condition for the next iteration. In the meanwhile, you still decrement the pointer, and then when you return, it's going to be a valid position and valid character you want to check. So this will be the whole entire solution. And let me run it. I think it's the issue with the ASCII value. All right, yeah. So this will be the correct. Oh, so I replaced the test case. All right. Anyway, I mean, uh, if you want to, I mean, this should be like an ASCII replacement character, but the logic is pretty straightforward. Depending on like what symbol you're going to use, you will return whatever you want. Right. So this is solution. All right. See you.